Bottles, tubs, jugs, or bags, household and industrial chemicals come in many shapes and sizes. As a manufacturer, you also need to satisfy many different end customer needs. From individual consumers to club stores and large institutions, you're dealing with an array of SKUs. How is your operation holding up? Do you see lots of work to be done but not enough hands or equipment to do it? Efficiency is the magical word, but it won't come from adding labor that is expensive, hard to find, train, and keep. And in the meantime, output requirements keep going up, while frequent changeovers consume valuable production time. It's clear automation is the way forward. Pearson is ready to step in with proven end-of-line automation solutions to help you find your way forward. If you use corrugated cases to ship your products, rely on our equipment to erect, pack, seal, and palletize those boxes. Pearson is your single-source supplier. With performance guarantees, rapid in-field and remote service support, and short lead times, for some solutions as little as 30 days, Pearson is committed to being your automation partner of choice. Your job isn't simple, but your automation should be. For guaranteed results, choose Pearson Packaging Systems.